In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up the voice in ElevenLabs. So, if you're ready to dive in and give your audio an extra kick, let's get started right away. First, open up your web browser. This seems like an obvious step, but it's an essential starting point to access ElevenLabs and make these adjustments. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the ElevenLabs website. Next, you'll need to log into your account. This step is crucial because you won't be able to access the settings needed to adjust the speed of your voice outputs without being logged in. Have your login credentials ready, and if you happen to have forgotten them, a quick password reset will do the trick. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface. Now, pay close attention to the settings sidebar that's located on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. It's packed with options that allow you to tweak your audio outputs to match your specific requirements. The settings sidebar might seem a bit overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, we're going to focus on just one setting today: the speed. Within the settings sidebar, look for the section labeled Speed. Here, you'll find a slider that allows you to change the speed of your voice generation, ranging from slow to fast. This slider is your best friend when it comes to controlling how quickly or slowly the audio is delivered. To increase the speed, simply adjust the slider to the right. You might want to experiment a little to find the perfect balance that suits your needs. It might take a few tries to get it just right, but the great thing is, you can easily test and tweak it. After making your adjustment, click the Generate Speech button. Listen carefully to the output to ensure that the speed fits what you had in mind. This feature lets you hear back in real time exactly how your chosen speed setting changes the delivery of the content. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure you're getting exactly what you want. And finally, if you're pleased with what you hear, go ahead and click Download or Share. This is the final step where you can choose to download the newly generated audio to your device or share it directly with others. Being able to share quickly and easily is perfect if you're working collaboratively or want to broadcast your content right away. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly speed up voices in ElevenLabs, giving your projects that extra professional touch. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings until you find the ideal pace for your needs. Enjoy creating.